Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on gold, we went beyond my 261% target that I've been talking about for at least a week now. But I've also been saying that price doesn't have to stop here. It can go to the next fib level, and it can go all the way up to the 361.8 if it really wants to. Wave threes can go way higher and way more overextended than you may actually think. So there's really no proof whatsoever that this is over yet. Definitely not on the higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, yes, it is going down right now, and maybe it will make a decent pullback. I mean, this does seem like a decent area for some resistance. But for me, the most recent structure is actually way down here at 4,200. This could go down all the way to here, take out all these lows, make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. For me personally, I would definitely still be recommending longs in an uptrend because the monthly is up, the weekly is up, the daily is up, the 4 hours up, and even the 1 hour time frame doesn't even have a break of structure down yet. When you're in an uptrend on every single time frame, you really got to be cautious about the counter trend trades. You really want to try to focus on the trend trades because it doesn't even have to really make that much of a pullback. It could potentially do something like this and just keep on going up. So definitely stay focused on trading with the trend when you're in a wave three like we are on gold. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.